Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and as you can see, I hope that you can see at least, I've got this special type of the grid line, the golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically it should disappear after the reset will be completed. So in order to find this option, we have to tap on the three bars icon actually in the right upper corner and enter some further settings. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see we've got this restore default settings. So let's tap on it and simply confirm it. As you can see, as you probably saw actually, the settings flashed a little bit, so that was actually a visualization of resetting. So now we can go back to the camera and check. And actually we've got the very first evidence, so our camera wants to have the access to the location. It will appear if you will open the camera for the very first time. So this is the first evidence, and the second one actually about the calls, and the third because we have to select a style, which again will be chosen at the very beginning of using the camera. So let me pick for example this one, and finally we've got the camera without the grid line, without a golden spiral, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to restore camera defaults in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.